Welcome to Textiles. So I'm Vicky Way, the course leader. So you'll see we've got a lovely textile studio here. You'll have 4.5 hours of taught lesson a week and 4.5 hours of homework, in which time you do 2 sides in your sketchbook. The course itself takes you through lots of techniques. So we do things like felting, pleating, weaving, screen printing. We take you through just a wide range of techniques. We have lots of the Vanilla sewing machines, so once you've had an introduction you're free to use those at any point. Our class sizes can be up to 20, but they tend to be about 14 or 15.
I'm Georgia Jeffries, textile teacher. So in the lower 6th you will be given an A4 sketchbook and we expect you to do 2 sides each week, and the first 6 weeks is quite prescribed, so we'll give you briefs and then you will answer those briefs in the homework, so you're exploring a range of different techniques and ideas, from drawing to mark making, sewing, hand stitching, weaving. Got some machine embroidery, experimenting in different surfaces, and felting. So after October you'll be set your own individual project where you can explore the techniques that you enjoy the most. So this student has looked into a lot of weaving and stitch embroidery because that's what she enjoyed. She's got a very strong colour palette going through here as well. We have facilities for dyeing, and we've got looms for weaving and felting. And then at the end of this first project you will do a mock exam where you will make a slightly bigger final piece from this journey of work. So this is the first year work, so it's all very experimental.
Then you create a personal study where you choose the topic. So this one is textile art and design and how it can be inspired by the environment. And you look at various artists for inspiration, such as here Karen Lagar, Samantha Russo. Do some colour mixing. We've got a knitting machine here in college, look at stitching into it, and then some circular weaves. We've got great screen printing facilities. This is all printed and just really experimental. And this student then decided that she enjoyed the weaving, so her final piece for this one is this big woven panel. From February till May in the upper 6th year, everyone does an exam unit. AQA give 8 options of titles, and you work through for the 3 months designing lots of different textile samples in your sketchbook towards a final piece, which you produce in a 15-hour practical exam, spread over 3 days. This student was just exploring lots of surface stitching, mark making, and again went through eventually to make some woven pieces.